Modulex has for some years been searching for an environmentally friendly pop print ready material that could be included in our 3mm Infinity assortment as a supplement to painted aluminium and the cheaper but not so environmentally friendly ACM plates. We never succeeded in finding a standard market-ready material, so instead we decided to go into a development project together with our existing manufacturer of Etronite. The chosen solution, especially developed for Modulex, was a 3mm dark brown Etronite centre surrounded by 2 thin layers of matte white polyester film. To manufacture these plates, big rolls of paper coming from sustainable Nordic forests is wetted with synthetic resin and comes out as thin, stiff sheets. First, a thin sheet of polyester film and then a number of thin sheets of Etronite, and closing with another sheet of polyester is stacked and put under pressure and heat. The sheet size coming out is 1250 by 2500mm and thickness depending on the number of Etronite sheets. We've named the material pecm, short for Polyester Etronite Composite Material. We have asked Force Institute in Denmark to make a comparative carbon footprint screening of our new pecm plate, ACM plates, and painted aluminium. For all 3 products, the whole process from raw material, over production of sheets, over the production in our own factory including pop decoration, over shipping 1,000 kilometres and also including the waste or recycle management once the sign is scrapped. A 3mm pecm sign has a carbon footprint which is half compared to 3mm ACM, and with a 3mm painted aluminium panel positioned between the two. Reports from the carbon footprint screening is available in English and Danish. On top of the environmental benefits, this material has an expansion coefficient much better than acrylics, meaning that it is possible to use with most of the Modulex installation methods in the same way as ACM. Actually, the pecm looks like and can be used and installed the exact same way as the white ACM. Still, compared to ACM, the pecm is more shock resistant. During transport, especially corners of the ACM plates are easily bent. Stroke on the front of an ACM plate can of course dent it, but that's not possible on pecm. We've chosen to have the pecm in 0.8mm, the ones we use for Breeze, and in 3mm matching the whole Infinity range. They can also be ordered as both logo letters and as custom panels. The plate is cut to the desired rectangular size or shape drawn in the graphics file on a router with camera system. Thus, in the factory, depending on the solution, we can choose to mill the size and shape both before and after applying graphics if requested. If needed, you can choose between 4 different installation methods. Our Infinity Basic clips with and without foam, VHB and dual lock tape. For logo letters, a minimum bar width of 30mm is needed to use the Infinity Basic clips installation. For logo letters, you can choose an installation template. With the 3-layer pecm plate design, it's also possible to produce 3-dimensional signs such as boxes, triangles, or a corner sign. The production files for this require special customization, but if we get a sketch of the desired sign, including the desired dimensions, we will make the necessary adjustments to the routing process.